This time I brought out the Vendetta. I just finished restoring the car. I got it pretty beat up. So yeah, the body's pretty good. I just had to cut out the red downforce spoilers, but it looks pretty nice like this. Let's see how it performs. I did get a new body for it, but like we'll try that out next session. This is just a test run. I don't even have my GPS speed reader. It's probably going to take another month to come. So one by one, let's try and get a speed record. Alright, let's see what's inside the hood. I'll show you my setup real quick. I added the splitter in the back, the diffuser in the back. I got the green body, so I got the red diffuser. Okay, so let's see. It's a brushless 2200 Team XTI motor. The Arrma 185 ESC. I'm running a FlySky frequency setup. I'm running the FlySky Noble. It's a great radio. And I'm running a 25 kg digital brushless servo. I changed out the bearings and I put in a metal spur gear. Stock pinion, not the speed pinion. It's just stock pinion. I don't have the speed pinion with me. I'll probably get that and do another speed test. Like I said, this is just gonna be a test run. I don't wanna get too crazy. I don't know how the car's gonna react to me. Got a nice stretch. I did a sweep of the road and didn't seem to find any stones or pebbles that would disrupt our run. Let's turn it on. That's good reaction. Yeah, this thing's ready to rip. Let's put the body on. We have a situation.
What was this guy?
Which one? The Vendetta is not tracking straight. Whoa! Okay, so the situation now is, I don't know if it's because of the body. After a certain speed, it's just drifting to either direction. The car's drifting to, it's not tracking straight for some reason. I highly suspect the body, because I chopped this part off because it was broken already when I got it. It's not tracking straight. At low speeds it tracks straight, but like after you move past a certain speed, it just drifts off to the side and it's really uncontrollable. Maybe I need a gyro or something. Woo! But it is fast. What's that? Quarter throttle?
Yeah,
quarter throttle. Woo! I wish we could get this to track straight, but it's okay. That's why we got to do test runs. Wow! Yeah, I feel the body only, bro. Can't push it past. You can't push it past quarter trigger, no? We'll remove the body once.
The body, no, backside is pumping.
Yeah. Okay, let's remove it and check it out. It's worth a try. Highly doubt it. I highly think it's the body only. What the hell was that? Try and see now. Let's try without the body and see if it tracks straight. Much better, right? Woo! Vendetta. A new body, a nice gyro, and we'll be traveling like an arrow. Yes, it's there. Okay, without body. That's just like a slight bump. Burst is crazy, bro.
That's what stabilizes when it has the burst, no?
Yeah.
It stabilizes.
Oh!
You would back or what?
Yeah, I got confused. Okay, one last run. We can't do much, bro.
Did you change the wheels?
No,
Interchange front and back or what?
Yeah. The different wheels.
No. Did you interchange it?
No. It was back only. Those black ones.
Okay.
Okay, try to keep it as stable as I can. Okay, looks like the Vendetta is not happening today. It's just not tracking straight. And this is the culprit. It's crazy how a tiny derail like this. Okay, maybe not tiny.
Display only, I would say. See this?
This is not the display. I have to check the bearing. It's a hub only it will be, bro. It's tracking right. So this is just moving off or what?
You can't.
This is adjustable, I think. Okay, it's okay. Test 1, disaster. But it's okay, at least it's running. The motor is not hot. It's not even warm. Okay, it's kind of warm.
Signal lost.
ESC is alright. Cool.
This toe
That
is
wraps
not
it up.